In this video, you will learn how to create a matrix chart in Adonis. You can use matrix charts to show dependencies between objects in a tabular format. Click on Plus Chart. Select Matrix. Create your own configuration by choosing the type of objects to be displayed in the rows, the connections between the objects in the rows and columns, and the type of objects you want to show in the columns. Click on Update View. And there you have it. Additionally, click on Color to enable coloring and create your own heat map. Alternatively, use a template. The necessary options will be selected automatically. Don't forget to save your analysis. Have a look at the Adonis Online Help for more information.